Imagine a reality where time and space bend to your intentions, where your thoughts resonate with the energy of creation, and you become a magnet for experiences that align with your deepest desires. This is the realm of fifth dimensional creation, a fascinating journey beyond the physical into a world of heightened consciousness and spiritual awakening. Here, we don't just live, we thrive in a reality shaped by clear intentions and coherent thoughts. This isn't just about moving through space, it's about collapsing it, bringing forth a life where what you seek is seeking you. In this exploration, we'll dive into the signs that signify you have joined the global vibrational shift, transcending from the familiar 3D world of physicality to the enigmatic 5D, a realm of spirit and intuition. Imagine living in a world where your senses are so attuned that you feel the pulse of life in everything around you, where every moment is an opportunity to align with frequencies that elevate your being. The first sign of this shift is the transformation we undergo in how we create and manifest. It's no longer about physically moving towards what we want. Instead, we combine clear intentions with coherent thoughts, collapsing space and time. Think about those moments when what you've desired, be it a job, a home, or a relationship, seems to find you effortlessly. It's as if you're a vortex drawing these experiences toward you. Comment below and tell me about your experience in collapsing space and time and drawing your desires toward you, manifesting your thoughts easily and quickly. The next sign is evident in the global vibrational shift we are experiencing. We're moving from the third dimension, our physical and tangible world, into the fifth dimension, a realm that's less about the material and more about the spiritual and non-physical. It's like the difference between reading about a place and actually feeling its essence in your soul. Consider, for example, the way we approach wellness and health. Traditionally, our focus has been primarily on physical symptoms and treatments. Now, there's a growing emphasis on holistic wellness, integrating mind, body, and spirit. Practices like meditation and yoga, once considered niche, are now mainstream as people seek deeper connections and inner peace. Look at how we're redefining success. It's no longer just about wealth and material achievements. There's a rising trend of measuring success by personal fulfillment, happiness, and the impact we have on others and the environment. This shift reflects a deeper understanding of what truly enriches our lives. Notice the changes in education. There's an increasing focus on emotional intelligence, mindfulness, and creative thinking, moving beyond traditional rote learning. Education is evolving to nurture not just the intellect, but the whole being, preparing individuals for a more interconnected and spiritually aware society. Observe the surge in interest in ancient wisdom and indigenous practices. People are looking back to traditions and knowledge that emphasize living in harmony with nature and understanding the interconnectedness of all life. This resurgence highlights a collective yearning for a deeper, more meaningful connection to the world around us. All these examples point to a significant shift, a transition from a world where physical and material realities dominate to one where spiritual understanding and physical experiences take center stage. It's a transformative journey, taking us from mere existence in the physical realm to a richer, more connected life in the fifth dimension. Another telling sign is the heightened senses and new frequencies we begin to resonate with during spiritual awakening. Have you ever walked into a room and felt the energy shift, or met someone and instantly knew there was more to them than meets the eye? This heightened sensitivity is a hallmark of moving into 5D. Then there's the ascension process, a gradual shift that involves raising our vibration, shedding our ego, and elevating our consciousness. It's about using life's challenges not as setbacks, but as catalysts for growth. This is where we learn that our soul's lessons are not hurdles, but bridges to higher consciousness. One profound change we undergo in the fifth dimension is the restructuring of our energy body. It's like clearing out old files from a computer to make it run smoother. We release past stresses and outdated patterns, making way for new, more aligned energies. The next sign is our heightened sensitivity to vibrations. In the 5D, you might find yourself more attuned to the emotions and energies of others, sensing their true feelings with greater clarity. It's as if you're tuning into a radio frequency that's always there, and you're only now able to hear. In our relationships, we experience a shift too. They become more soul-based, marked by a deeper, almost instantaneous connection with others. It's like meeting someone for the first time, but feeling as though you've known them forever. Now think about your own relationships. Have you ever met someone and immediately felt a profound connection, as if your souls recognized each other? This isn't mere coincidence. It's a sign of evolving into the fifth dimension, where connections are deeper and more spiritually aligned. Aligning with our inner truth is another sign. In 5D, acting out of sync with our true self becomes increasingly difficult. It's as if our inner compass is guiding us more forcefully towards what's genuinely right for us, steering us towards peace and emotional stability. We also start to understand the concept of mutual help. Realizing that we can't save everyone is a sign of maturing spiritually. We learn to respect the journeys and decisions of others, acknowledging the universal law of free will. Then comes the crucial learning of trusting others' decisions, especially those made at the soul level. Instead of worrying about them, we learn to send love and trust in their timing, a true sign of spiritual growth. Managing our personal energy becomes more vital in 5D. Cleansing our energy fields and stepping into our inner power signifies our readiness to embrace our full potential. It's about not dimming our light for fear of outshining others, but shining brightly in our true essence. Becoming an observer of our life is another sign, allowing us to step back and make decisions from a higher vantage point. This distance is not about disconnection, but about gaining perspective for better decision making. Proactively working on our energy without going to extremes is crucial too. It's about finding balance, ensuring that we're neither overextending nor withdrawing too much. Strengthening our energy is a necessary part of this transition. It involves being mindful of the energies we allow in our space and making conscious choices that align with our higher self. But have you ever stopped to consider what kind of energy you're allowing into your life? Think about the people, environments, and situations you encounter daily. Are they uplifting and nurturing, or do they drain you? Recognizing and choosing energies that resonate with your higher self is not just a practice. It's a sign of shifting into the fifth dimension, where our choices are deeply interconnected with our energy's health and vibrancy. Finally, working consciously with our multi-dimensional self allows us to become active creators of our reality. This is where we truly begin to understand the power of our words and thoughts in manifesting our desires. In essence, these signs of transitioning into the fifth dimension open us to a world of possibilities, deeper connections, and an alignment with our true selves, fostering a life where intuition, empathy, and personal growth are not just ideals, but lived realities. Our journey into the fifth dimension is a transformative adventure, revealing signs of heightened consciousness and spiritual awakening in everyday lives. Our journey into the fifth dimension is a transformative adventure, revealing signs of heightened consciousness and spiritual awakening in our everyday lives. This shift isn't just a concept, it's a tangible change in how we experience and interact with the world. If this resonates with you, or if you're curious to learn more, please like and subscribe. Share this message with someone who may resonate with this energy. Together, we will continue to explore this fascinating evolution of human consciousness and embrace the wonders of the fifth dimension. Until next time, beloved.